Yeah, for people gonna watch this video, don't forget to subscribe, give your comment, press like. Yeah, like I said in my other videos, this is a very important day. You see too much snow. The cars have hard time to move forward. It's very slippery. Gotta be very careful. Look at this car before me. You see, we can't see the plates. They're all covered by the snow. I think he got stuck. That's why he's going forward, backward. Yeah, and mine too. My car is is sliding too. Oh my! The other guy behind me is not patient, huh? He has to be patient, man. You gotta be very patient, otherwise you're not gonna get home safe. Oh my! You see my car? Oh my! Yeah, some people they're walking on the snow. They're very happy. They wanna play in the snow. The best thing is to have a Jeep car 4x4 like this guy who just passed. Yeah, cars are like they're parking nowhere, nowhere in the middle of the street. Yeah, because you can't park on the sides, on both sides, the right and the left. Yeah. Yeah. Even the visibility, we can't see, it's not that clear. It's like smog, smoggy. It's like smoggy day. Yeah. This is the first very important and serious, say it again, serious snowstorm in Montreal. So we're still waiting, expecting 50 centimeters of snow. You see, like in the street, in both sides of the streets, how high the snow is. Lot. You see, we can't see even the road. Even see the road. Yeah, because the snow is falling in very big quantities. Yeah. Look at that guy, he's happy. His dog too is very happy. They're going to the park to play a little bit. Yeah, you see? Wow. Imagine in the countryside. This is the city. And Montreal city can't clean, right away, like the snow accumulated in the streets. They can't. Yeah, they need trucks and wow. So imagine the countryside. Oh my God! If your car got stuck there, and it takes you days and days, not a week. Not exaggerating. This is the truth. This is what's happening. So this is my channel in YouTube, Canada Lifestyle. Thanks for sharing too. Are you guys enjoying the ride? This is Montreal. Going slowly. Slowly. You see all the engines that blowing away the snow from the streets. Yeah, this is a good thing. They're cleaning the streets. The bad, they're making worse for cars parked in the both sides of the street. They put all the snow on the cars, so if you want to take out your car, you have to plow it. Yeah, they're blowing more, like taking off the snow more in the most important streets. You see on the left side that it's blowing. Yeah. Yeah, they clean the most important, the big streets where in which there is more traffic, more drivers pass by. This is the red light. I gotta wait. Yeah, you see the road here is better, much better than the small streets. Yeah, because it's been well taken care of. And this guy has a problem with visibility, the taxi driver. We're not in Alaska, man. We're in Montreal city. Look how many snow just fell. I'm looking for a place. I got home, but it's not easy. It's not that easy to find out the place. I have to get in here and to make a U-turn so that I can find the place. Okay, so wish me good luck. Take care, guys. I will see you in more videos talking about the snowstorm. Bye.